In order to understand the question in your assignment, that is task 3 of assignment 1 of unit 4, we need to understand what the scenario is. And what we are described is a room. So I'm going to make a drawing of that room. So we say this room has, let's say, a ceiling height of 3 meters. Okay, and we're going to say we got a width of 10 meters. Yeah, I mean a length. And now we're going to have in this room, let's say, a width of 7 meters. So these are the dimensions of your room. Ceiling height 3 meters, and then we got 10 meters of length and 7 meters width. Now, what is the question? The question says that you got a working surface. Now, for example, let's say this could be a factory, and in this factory we have tables. And in these tables we have, for example, sewing machines, and there are many sewing machines like that in this room, and we got people sitting at these tables and they are sewing. Now we found out that for these people to be working effectively, they need here on the surface of that table a certain amount of light. Now I'm going to say 100 lux. Yeah, that's what we want to have on these tables. Now these tables are not on the floor. These tables are, let's say, 0.9 meters high. Okay? Now, that means that the distance to the ceiling is not 3 meters, it's shorter, and it's shorter by 0.9 meters. Therefore, the distance from the working surface to the ceiling is, if my mathematics are not wrong, 2.1 meters. Yeah? Now, the exercise, I'm going to draw now the ceiling plan. The exercise requires you to work out a configuration for lights in the ceiling of that room, so all these tables receive the same amount of light and is evenly distributed in the whole of the room. Now, if we put a big light here in the middle, what's going to happen is that you're going to have light coming like this, and there will be lots of light in this table, not so much light in this table. So maybe this is not a good idea. Maybe we want to put 3 lights like that, or maybe we want to put so many lights like this, or even we want to put them like that. Now, so we know how much light every appliance is going to produce, and we know what light we want to have in each table, and we know the size of the room, and we know the height of the ceiling, and we know the height from the working surface to the top of the ceiling. And we need to find an optimum arrangement to provide this amount of light for this room in the most efficient way. And this is the numerical question of that exercise. I need to remind you there is a theoretical question. So in reality, task 2 is 2 questions. One, where you need to talk about human comfort parameters, how the body adapts to different conditions. I spoke about this in previous videos. I said how the human ear more or less works. I explained how the eye works. Well, there are things you need to research. You can read your book. You can do a quick Google search and describe what the theoretical part of the question asks you to talk about. And that is just you writing maybe 300, 400 words about 4 of these human comfort parameters. And then there is the numerical question, and I already explained what the problem is. In the next video, we are going to apply a formula and we are going to solve this problem. Yeah? Excellent.